Sawadika. Kumusta everyone? My name is Ethel and I'm currently studying Thai language. So I'm here to share my journey as is student na nag-aaral din ng Thai language. So ang level ko ay A2. Yes, you heard it right. A2 pa lang and mahirap. Mahirap mag-aral ng Thai but if you find it enjoyable, madali lang, promise. So I'm making this channel to share my journey and also the lesson na natutunan ko. And I want you, if you're also a beginner, then let's study together. So, can you be my study buddy? Now may share akong lesson. Let's go! So eto, paano nga ba sabihin ang una na ako at mauna ka na in Thai? So this is a great comparison for an A2 learner because it highlights how single verb mauna to go first changes meaning completely based on the pronoun and the particle used. So in Thai, being first is often about the sequence of actions, and these two phases are essentials for polite social transitions. So number one, una na ako, or I'm going first, or ako yung aalis. In Thai, it's paigon na, paigon na. And the literal meaning is go before you. So, mauna na ako. Ako ang unang aalis before you. Magpapaalam. So, the usage is, use this when you are the one leaving a group conversation or place. So, yun na nga. So, breakdown natin. The word pai is to go, gone is before or first, and na is a softening particles which makes it sound friendly or polite. So the tip is in casual Thai, speaker often drop the I like shan or pom entirely, so they drop it. So instead of saying shan paigona is the most natural way to say, dapat sabihin mo lang na paigona directly. So second is mauna ka na. So you go first or go ahead. So in Thai, it's paigon loy or sige na mauna ka na, paigon loy. So, di ba, ang nabago lang is the particle which is from na to loy. So, use this when you are giving permission or telling someone else to proceed before you. Example is entering a door, ordering a food, or leaving a party. So, the word paigon is like go first, and then loy is an emphasizing particles meaning go ahead or right away. So, yung word na mauna, in Thai, the word gone is the magic word here. So if you put it after a verb, it means do, then the verb first. For example, is the word to eat, which is gin, and then eat first is gin kon, or apnam kon, or shower first, apnam kon. So here is the practice scenario. If your friend is standing in the elevator door and waiting for you, but you are still looking for your keys, which one would you say? Sabihin ba sa kanya na, paigon na or paigon loy? So, yun lang. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. I really hope what I've shared helped you out a little bit. Like I've said, I'm still figuring things out too, so we're in this Thai learning journey together. If you like this video and want to see more stuff I pick up along the way, please hit the like button and subscribe na lang po. Super appreciate it. Next time, we'll tackle more connectors like or, but, and because. Mga bagay na talagang nakaka-confuse sa akin nung una. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Sending you guys lots of good vibes. And, Chokdi, good luck sa pag-aaral ng Thai. Sawadee ka! Ingat everyone!